Here juniors win the toss and they elected to bat first. And this is the under 19 T20 Super Cup first played at Chukartulba ground. Junaid Pare is on strike and M Akash 56 he is on non-strike. Muhammad Asif matches between here juniors versus CSK 11 Palalan. They win the toss and they opted to bat first. And Muhammad Akash 57 he is on non-strike. Thank you Muhammad Asif for watching this live stream and tell me how quality of this video is and voice. Thank you for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Muhammad Asif, okay sir, thank you sir Muhammad Asif for watching this. This is the first half ball for this inning and this is good delivery by the bowler Zubair. And this is a good delivery by Zubair 3. Very good bowling by Zubair 3. First CSK 11 Palalan win the toss and they opted to bat first. This is the first wicket on the first delivery in the shape of Junaid Pare. Junaid Pare goes on tuck and they lost first wicket out. Thank you for watching this live broadcast on my Facebook page Muhammad Anas bin Bilal, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Thank you Mir Wasim. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mir Wasim sahab, thank you for watching this live stream. Muhammad Asif, quality is good and sound. Also thank you Muhammad Asif sahab for watching this, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. And this is the first wicket for last Palalan CSK 11. This is the Super Cup T20 under 19 played at Chukartulba ground. And Palalan they lost their first wicket. Very good bowling by Zubair 3. He take his first wicket on his first ball. Muhammad Asif, thank you. Mir Wasim sahab, thank you for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends. Now the new batsman, he is on crease. Basit Bashir is the new batsman. CSK Palalan win the toss and they opted to bat first, and they lost their first wicket on his first delivery. Zubair, he takes his first wicket on his first delivery. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukartulba ground. The new batsman is Basit Bashir. He is on strike now.
CSK is feeling it. CSK is feeling it. Okay, the task is
right attack karo ya. Sorry. CSK Palalan opted to field first. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire. This is first run on board for Heer Juniors. Heer Juniors, they lost their first wicket and they have only one run in the shape of wide. Zubair to the new batsman Basit Bashir. Basit Bashir, he is on strike. And this is another wide delivery. Muhammad Asif, amazing. Thank you Muhammad Asif for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Akib, are they really under 19? They look old enough. Thank you Akib for watching this live stream. No, they are under 19. This is under, and this is another good delivery by Zubair, and this is dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 2 and they lost their early wicket. This is the first hour of this first evening. CSK Palalan, they won the toss and they opted to field first. The score is 2 on board for Heer Juniors and they lost their first wicket. And this is another white delivery, no ball. Basit Bashir, he is on strike. M. Akash 56, he is on non-strike. And Ishfaq, nice. Thank you Ishfaq sir for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream with on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Zubair to the new batsman Basit Bashir. And this is another good delivery. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 3, and they lost first wicket. CSK Palalan win the toss, and they opted to field first after 3 balls. The score for here is 3. They lost 1 wicket, and this is another good delivery by Zubair. Score remains on 3, and they lost 1 wicket. Malik Yaqub match ki score hai. Thank you Malik Yaqub sir for watching this live stream, and keep share this live stream with your friends. This is match between Heat Juniors versus CSK Palalan. This is under 19 T20 Cup played at Chukatulba ground. Right now the two teams are Heat Juniors and CSK Palalan. First CSK Palalan win the toss. They opted to field first. After this is the first hour of this opening. The 5 bowlers. The score is 3, and they lost 1 wicket. Zubair, very good delivery, and this is totally no run. Score remains on 3 for the loss of 1. Malik Yaqub, thank you for watching. Naiku Mehraj, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream. The score is 3, and they lost 1 wicket. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatulba ground. This match is between Heat Juniors versus CSK 11 Palalan. Zubair to Basit Bashir, and this is another dot delivery, no run. After 1 hour the score is 3, and they lost 1 wicket. Thank you for watching this live stream. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. This is T20 Super Cup. Zubair, this is a good over by Zubair. He take his first wicket on his first delivery, and he gave only 4 runs. The score is 4 runs, and they lost 1 wicket. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Akash Pandya, he is the new bowler for CSK Palalan, and this match is between CSK Palalan versus Heat Juniors. CSK Palalan 11, they won the toss, and they opted to field first. After 1 hour the score is 4, and they lost 1 wicket. Now the new bowler is Ashik Pandya, and Mr. Ashik Ahmed, he is on strike. Bro, nice, finally scorecard upgrade. Thank you for watching this live stream. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Inshallah everything will be possible with the help of you. Thank you Ashik to M. Akash, and this is a white delivery given by the umpire. The score goes on 5, and they lost early 1 wicket. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukatulba ground. Ashik Pandya to Muhammad Akash, and this is a good delivery by Ashik Pandya. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 5, and they lost their early wicket. 1 wicket. Ashik Pandya to the batsman M. Akash, and this is a wide delivery given by the umpire. With this one the score goes on 6, and they lost 1 wicket. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Ashik Pandya to Muhammad Akash, and this is dot delivery. This is dot delivery, and this the score remains on 6, and they lost 1 wicket. This is a good cricket today played by the two teams, Heat Juniors and CSK 11 Palalan. CSK 11 Palalan, they won the toss, and they opted to field first. This is the second hour of this evening. The score is 6, and they lost 1 wicket. Ashik Pandya on his bowling mark to Akash, this is another dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 6. And they lost 1 wicket. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukka ground. The two teams today playing they are Heer Juniors versus CSK 11 Palhalan. After CSK Palhalan win the toss, they opted to field first, and this is another good delivery by Akash Pandya, and this is another dot delivery, no run. The score is remaining on 6, and they lost 1 wicket. Very good bowling by CSK Palhalan. This is a very good decent cricket played by CSK Palhalan. Good bowling by Akash Pandya and Ashik. And this is another good delivery, dot delivery. The score remains on 6, and they lost 1 wicket. The current run rate is 3.25. The projected score will be 59. This is not good cricket played by Heer Juniors. They have lost their early 1 wicket. And this is another good delivery. After 2 overs, the score is 6, and they lost 1 wicket. Very good bowling by Akash Pandya. He gives only 2 runs in his first over. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukka ground. And Heer Juniors score is 6, and they lost their first wicket. Mir Mudassir, good commentary. Keep it up. Thank you, Mir Mudassir, for watching this live stream, and thank you for your support. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Thank you for watching this. Keep share this live stream also. This is Heer Juniors. They have 6 runs on board, and they lost their first wicket after 2 overs. Now the bowler is Wajid Sultan. Wajid Sultan, 33. He is on his bowling mark to Basit Bashir. Well delivery, good delivery by Wajid Sultan. Good cricket play today. CSK 11 Palhalan. They won the toss, and they opted to field first. After 2.1 hours, the score on board is 6, and they lost 1. Wajid to Basit Bashir. Good shot played by Basit, but at the end the two batsmen take 2 runs. With this 2, and there is some yes no, and this is good throw by, and this is out given by the third umpire. Not good cricket today play Heer Juniors. They lost their early wickets. They lost their 2 wickets. They have only 8 runs board. Soya Kashmir, love from Doha, Qatar. Thank you, Sayu Kashmir. Thank you for watching this. Sayu Kashmir, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep support, keep share this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Thank you, Sayu Kashmir, for watching this. Keep share this live stream. Chukarka future commentator Bilal. Thank you, Muhammad Asif, for watching this live stream. Thank you for your support. Thank you. Keep share this live stream. This is a T20 Super Cup played at Chukka ground. This is under 19 tournament played at Chukka ground. Today's 2 teams are Heer Juniors and CSK 11 Palhalan. First CSK Palhalan win the toss, and they opted to field first. After 8.2 hours, Heer Juniors, they lost their early 2 wickets in the shape of first wicket catch, and second is by with the good fielders. They take their second wicket for now. The next batsman, Aqib Lefty. Aqib Lefty is the new batsman. He is on strike. Wajid Sultan, very good bowling by Wajid Sultan, 33. The score remains on 8, and they lost their 2 wickets. Firdaus here, thank you Firdaus for watching this live stream. Keep support, keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Wajid Sultan, 33, to the new batsman Aqib Lefty. Aqib Lefty is his new batsman, and this is another good delivery, very good delivery by Wajid Sultan, 33. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 8, and they lost their early 2 wickets. Thank you for those here for watching this live stream. All friends, I have thank you to you. Keep share this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Wajid Sultan to the new batsman Aqib Lefty. Aqib Lefty, he is on strike now. And this is another good delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 9, and they lost 2 wickets. Very good cricket today play by CSK 11 Palhalan. They won the toss and they opted to field first. After 2.4 hours, the score is 9 for Heer Juniors, and they lost their 2 early wickets. Wajid to Basit. And Basit plays a good shot. This is the first 4 for Heer Juniors. This is first 4 for Basit Bashir. With this 4, the score goes on 13, and they lost their 2 early wickets. This is first 4 by Basit Bashir. He moves on 6 runs and he faced 10 deliveries with the help of 1-4. Seth Mohammad, fearless Falcons Sari का match कब है? Please confirm. Thank you Seth Mohammad for watching this live stream. Right now I have no information about that. I will inform you inshallah. Seth Mohammad Dar, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this. Rafiq Dar, thank you for your love. Thank you for this. Is third hour complete. After 3 hours, the score is 13, and they lost their 2 early wickets. Very good bowling by Wajid Sultan and Ashik Pandya, and this is good bowling by CSK 11 Palhalan. Very good cricket today played by CSK Palhalan. Decent cricket and decent and impressive cricket today they play. Now Akib lefty, he is on strike, and the bowler is on bowling mark. Ashik Pandya, he is on bowling mark. The score remains on 13, and they lost their 2 wickets after 3 hours. Ashik lefty, he is on strike. He faces 2 deliveries and he make only 1 run. Their partnership is on 5 runs, and they face 4 deliveries. Ashik Pandya to the new batsman. Ashik lefty plays a good shot, but at the end a very good fielding by the bowler. No run. This is dot delivery. The score remains on 13, and they lost 2 wickets. This is Ashik lefty. He is on strike. Ashik Pandya, he is on his bowling mark to Ashik lefty. Oh, good. This is wide away given by the umpire Mirubed. But here is no white. Here is a confusion, but it is not white touch with pad. So score remains on 13. Ashik Pandya to Akib lefty. Oh, this is good bowling by Ashik lefty. Clean bowled. He goes on 2 runs only. Very good for cricket play today by CSK Palhalan. They take their 3rd wicket, and Heer Juniors, they lost their 3 wickets on 13 runs only. This is good bowling by Ashik Pandya. He takes his 1st wicket. Good cricket play today. Very impressive and decent cricket. CSK 11 Palhalan, they won the toss and they opted to field first. This is good decision by the captain of CSK 11 Palhalan. They take 3 wickets for Heer Juniors. Heer Juniors, they lost their 3rd wicket. They have only 13 runs on board. This is a very decent cricket today played by Heer Juniors. Seth Mudassir Saab, please Bilal confirm कर fearless सारी का मैच कब है? इंशाल्लाह वो confirm करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. Seth Mohammad Dar Saab, thank you for your love, thank you for your support, and I will inshallah confirm you. I will tell inshallah you. Ashik Pandya take his 1st wicket. Here, this is the 2nd over for Ashik Pandya, the new batsman Kaisar Bashir. He comes on crease. He's coming on strike, Kaisar Bashir, and Akib Pandya, he is on his bowling mark. The score remains on 13, and they lost 3 early wickets. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukka Turbag ground. The organizing body of this tournament, they are Abdul Hamid, Mr. Abdul Hamid, Kamran Bhatt, and Mir Ubaid. Ashik Pandya on his bowling mark to the new batsman Kaisar Bashir. And good delivery, another dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 13, and they lost their other 3 wickets. This is Ashik Pandya to Kaisar Bashir. Oh, another good delivery. This is another dot delivery. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukatul Park ground. The score is 13 and they lost 3 wickets. And this is the good shot played by the new batsman, but very good fielding at the end, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 14 runs. And they lost their 3 wickets after 4 hours. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul Park ground. At present, the 2 teams are Here Juniors versus CSK 11 Palhalan. First, CSK 11 won the toss and they decided to field first. Good decision by the captain of CS 11 Palhalan. After 4 hours, Here Juniors have only 14 runs on board and they lost 3 wickets. Now Wajid Sultan, he's on his bowling mark to the new batsman Kaisar Bashir. And Kaisar Bashir plays a good shot for first 4 of Kaisar Bashir. With this 4, the score goes on 18 runs, but they lost their 3 wickets. This is good shot by Kaisar Bashir. This is first 4 for Kaisar Bashir. The score goes on 18 runs, but they lost their 3 wickets early. Furkan, thank you, nice, thank you for your love, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. And this is Here Juniors versus CSK 11 Palhalan. First, CSK Palhalan won the toss and they opted to field first. After 4.1 hours, the score is 18. They lost 3 wickets. Wajid Sultan, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaisar Bashir, he is on strike. He is on 5 runs. Wajid to Kaisar, and this is a caught delivery by Wajid Sultan, 33. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 18. They lost 3 wickets. Wajid to Kaisar Bashir, and this is another good delivery. Very good bowling by Wajid Sultan. This is another dot delivery. The score is remaining on 18 and they lost 3 wickets after 4.3 hours. Wajid Sultan, he is on bowling mark, and this is not good cricket. Here Juniors, they need a big partnership here. If they stay here, they will give the target of 120, 130. If they will not play good cricket, they will not touch 100 runs. Kaisar Bashir, he is on strike, and this is another good delivery. This is another dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 18 and they lost 3 wickets. Latif Chopan, thank you for watching this live stream. Thank you, Latif Chopan, sir, for your support. Keep share this live stream and you can also watch this live stream. This is Wajid to Kaisar. This is another dot delivery. And after 5 hours, the score is 18 and they lost 3 wickets. Very good bowling by Wajid Sultan. He completed his 2nd hour and he gave only 11 runs. Ashik Pandya, he completed 2 hours and he gives 11. Zubair, he completed 1 hour and he take 1 wicket, only give 4 runs. CSK Palhalan have good cricket today. They gave very impressive and decent cricket play today. Now Basit Bashir, he is on strike. This is Zubair, he is on his bowling mark. Zubair to the batsman Basit Bashir. Basit Bashir is the batsman. He faces also 11 deliveries and he is on 6. Zubair to Basit. Oh, what a delivery! Good delivery by Zubair, 3. And this is another totally no run. The score remains on 18 and they lost their 3 early wickets after 5.1 hours. Thank you, Latif Chopan sir, for your support, for watching this live stream, and keep share this live stream with your friends. Thank you for watching. Thanks for you. This is Zubair to Basit Bashir, and this is another court delivery. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 18 and they lost their early 3 wickets after 5.2 hours. Basit Bashir, he is on 6 runs. He faces 13 deliveries with the help of 1. Zubair 3. He is on his bowling mark. Zubair to Basit Bashir. Oh, this is another thought delivery. Good delivery by Zubair. Score remains on 18 and they lost 3 early wickets. This is T20 Super Cup under 19 played at Chukatul Park ground. Today's two teams are Hayes Juniors versus CSK 11 Palhalan. First, CSK 11 Palhalan win the toss and they opted to field first. This is Zubair to Basit Bashir. Oh, this is good shot played by Basit Bashir. This is 4 for Basit Bashir and 4 for Hayes Juniors. With this 4, the score goes on 22 runs, but they lost their 3 early wickets. Hayes Juniors, they need one big partnership here. They need a good partnership here because they lost their 3 early wickets just on 22 runs. Zubair to Basit Bashir. Basit Bashir plays another good shot. This is the first 6 for Basit Bashir and first 6 for Hayes Juniors. Very good shot played by Basit Bashir. This is first 6 for the inning of Hayes Juniors. Hayes Juniors reach on 28 runs and they lost 3 wickets. Now Hayes Juniors, they need one big partnership here if they want to give the target of 150, 160 to CSK Palhalan. They need big partnership. They need good cricket here because they lost their 3 early wickets. This is a good cricket played here at Chukatul Park ground right now. This is their two teams are CSK Palhalan, Palhalan versus Hayes Juniors. After 5.5 overs, the score is 28. After 5.5 they lost, and this is good delivery, but it is given no ball. With this run, the score is 29 and they lost 3 wickets. Hayes Juniors, they need one big partnership. They need that good partnership here. They need good cricket because they lost their 3 early wickets. They have only 29 runs on board. Zubair to Basit Bashir. Oh, this is a thought delivery. After 6 hours, the score is 29 and they lost 3 wickets. This is after 6 hours. The score for Hayes Juniors is 29 on board and they lost 3 wickets. This is Imran, the new bowler, to the batsman Kaisar Bashir. This is good delivery and this is dot delivery. After 6.1 hours, the score remaining on 29 and they lost their 3 early wickets. Hamid Ashby, Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hamid Saab for watching this live stream. This is Imran to Kaisar Bashir and Kaisar Bashir plays another good shot for another 4. This is the second 4 for Kaisar Bashir. With this 4, the score goes on 33 and they lost 3 wickets. Now Hayes Juniors, they need one big partnership here. They need good cricket here because they lost their early 3 wickets. Now the score is 33 on board and they lost 3 wickets. The partnership goes on 20 runs and they have faced only 18 deliveries. This is Imran on his bowling order. Imran to Kaisar Bashir. This is a good delivery. This is a dot delivery. Kaisar Bashir, he is on 9 runs. He faced 12 deliveries with the help of 2 fours. The score remaining on 33 and they lost 3 wickets after 16.6.3 hours. Imran to Kaisar Bashir. Oh, what a good shot, but at the end, very good fielding, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen with a single. With this single, the score goes on 34. They lost 3 wickets. Kaisar Bashir, he is on 10 Now Basit Bashir, he's on strike. He's on 16 runs. Imran to Basit Bashir. Oh, this is good delivery by Imran. This is a short delivery. No run. The score remains on 34, and they lost 3 early wickets. Here juniors, they need a good partnership. They need big partnership here. They need a good cricket here because they lost their early 3 wickets. Just they have 34 on board. And even on to the batsman Basit Bashir. Very good fielding at the end. This is another dot delivery, no run. After 7 overs, the score for here juniors is 34. T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulba ground. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulba ground. The organizing body of this tournament, they are Kamran Bhatt and Abdul Hamid and Umar Mirubaid. This is very good cricket played at Chukartulba ground. Decent and disciplined and impressive cricket here. This is under 19 T20 tournament. Shakir Farooq, he is the new bowler for CSK 11 Palhalan. He is on his bowling mark. Shakir Farooq to the batsman Kaisar Bashir. Kaisar Bashir, he is on 10 runs. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this live stream, Hamid Saab. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Shakir Farooq to the batsman Kaisar Bashir. He is on 10 runs. Shakir to Kaisar. Kaisar Bashir plays a good shot. This is the first 6 for Kaisar Bashir. And this is for 6 for Here juniors with the 6. The score goes on 40. And they lost 3 wickets after 7.1 hour. Here juniors, they need this partnership. They need good cricket here because they lost their early wickets. They have only 40 on board and they lost 3 wickets. Now this partnership is on 27 runs and they face 23 deliveries. Hamid Saab, weak signal. Mohammad Asif Saab, weak signal. Thank you, Mohammad Asif Saab. This is here is a weak signal on Airtel. This is another good shot by Kaisar Bashir, but at the end, very good fielding, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 41 run, and they lost 3 wickets. मोहम्मद आसिफ वीक सिग्नल के लिए यहाँ पे थोड़ी वीक सिग्नल है, उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे सिग्नल थोड़ा कमजोरी है. हमीद साहब, नाइस कमेंट, थैंक यू हमीद साहब फॉर वाचिंग दिस. दिस इज Shakir to Basit. This is dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 41 and they lost 3 wickets. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulba ground. This is Shakir to Basit. This is another dot delivery, no run. Lateef Chopan, thank you for your love. Thank you Lateef Chopan sir for your love. And keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. And this is Shakir to Basit. This is another good delivery, and this is dot delivery. The score is remaining on 41 and they lost 3 wickets. Basit Bashir, he's on strike. He's on 16 runs with the help of 2 fours and 1 huge 6. Shakir Farooq to Basit, and this is another dot, no run. After 8 hours, the score for here juniors is 41 and they lost 3. Muhammad Asif, okay sir, thank you Muhammad Asif sir, because here is a network problem, here is network issue. उसके लिए हम क्या ही कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे थोड़ा नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम है तुलबा ग्राउंड में एयरटेल का, उसके लिए सॉरी मैं मोहम्मद आसिफ साहब, थैंक यू. दिस इज CSK Palhalan versus here juniors. First CSK Palhalan, they won the toss and they opted to field first. After 8 hours, the score on board is 41 for here juniors and they lost their early 3 wickets. This is Imran on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaisar Bashir. Imran to Kaisar Bashir. This is another good catch by the fielder of CSK Palhalan. This is another loss for here juniors. Another wicket gone. Kaisar Bashir, he gone on 17 runs. This is 4th wicket for here juniors. They lost their 4th wicket. They have only 41 runs on board. Not good cricket today played by here juniors. They need a partnership here. They need good cricket because if they want to give total to CSK 11 Palhalan, they need a partnership here. They have lost their early 4 wickets. They have only 41. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatulba ground. That organization party of this tournament, they are Mr. Mir Ubaid, Mr. Kamran Butt and Mr. Abdul Hamid. Shah Saif, well Palhalan, CSK Palhalan. Thank you for Shah Saif. And this is good cricket today played by Palhalan CSK 11. And they have good bowlers, very good bowling today they have done. They take 4 early wickets for here juniors and they have only 41 runs on board. This is Imran on his bowling work to the new batsman Danish Kharda. He is the new batsman on strike. The current run rate is 5 runs. The projected score will be 90. If they cannot stand here, they will not give good partnership here. Imran to the new batsman Danish Kharda, and Danish Kharda plays a shot but it is missed. This is good catch by the fielder of CSK Palhalan. This is another wicket. Here juniors, they lost their 5th wicket in the shape of the new batsman Danish Kharda. Danish Kharda, he is out on duck. No run by Danish Kharda. Here juniors, they lost 5 early wickets. They have only 41 runs on board. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatulba ground. शाह सैफ वेल पलालन थैंक यू. इसमें कितने टीम्स है? इसमें 16 teams है sir. Thank you for watching this. Keep share this live stream and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is here juniors versus CSK 11 Palhalan. First CSK 11 Palhalan win the toss and they decided to field first. Very good decision by the captain of CSK 11 Palhalan because they give only 41 runs on board but they take 5 early wickets to here juniors. Very good cricket played by CS 11 Palhalan today. This is good cricket. This is very decent and disciplined cricket by CSK Palhalan. They have impressive cricket today. This is Imran to the new batsman Kharshid. He is on strike. This is another good delivery and this is another dot delivery. Good delivery by the bowler Imran. The score remains on 41 and they lost their early wickets. Saeed Adil, thank you Saeed Adil Saab for watching this live stream. Love you sir. Thank you Saeed Adil Saab for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. This is Imran to Kharshid, the new batsman on crease, and the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score goes on 42 runs. But they lost their early 5 wickets. Very good cricket play today by Palhalan CSK 11 Palhalan, and they decide to field first. A very good decision take by the captain of Palhalan. This is Imran to the batsman Basit Bashir. He's on 16 runs. This is another good delivery by Imran. This is top delivery. Today the two teams are on. They are here juniors versus CSK 11 Palhalan. First CSK Palhalan win the toss and they decide to field first after 8.5 overs. This is 42 on board and they lost their 5 early wickets. This Imran to Basit Bashir. This is bounce missed by wicket keeper and this is bounce 4 run. The score goes on 46 run, 47 run. Saeed Adil Saab, thank you for watching this live stream. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching this, and you can also watching this on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Imran on his last delivery to Basit Bashir. He is on 16 runs. Basit Bashir plays another shot, but at the end, very good catch by the fielder. And Hill Juniors, they lost another wicket. They lost Basit Bashir's wicket. He is only batsman. He is on 16. He goes, and they lost 6 wickets. They have only 47 runs on board after 9 hours. Very good bowling by Imran. Imran completes his second over. He takes 2 wickets in 2 hours. Thank you for watching this live stream. This push. After 9 hours, here Juniors, they have only 47 runs on board. They lost 6 wickets. Not good cricket today played by here Juniors. Here Juniors need one partnership. They need one big partnership if they want to give the total of 120 to Palhalan CSK 11. This is a good bowling by Imran. He completed his second over. He take 3 wickets. He give only 11 runs. Thank you for watching this live stream. This is Abrar Maglu. He's a new bowler. He's on bowling mark. And this is a good delivery by Abrar Maglu. Abrar Maglu is the new bowler for CSK 11 Palhalan. Kharshid, he is on strike. Abrar to Kharshid. This is another good delivery. This is dot delivery. No run. The score remains on 47. This is another good delivery. This is dot delivery. No run. The score remains on 47 for the loss of 6 wickets. And this is a wide given by the umpire Mirubed. With this one run, the score goes on 48, and they lost their 6 early wickets. This is dot delivery. Abrar to Kharshid. Another good delivery by Abrar. This is good cricket played today by CSK Palhalan. First they won the toss and they opted to field first. After 9.5 hours, the score on board is 40, and they lost 6 wickets. Here Juniors not played good cricket today. They lost their early wickets. After 10 hours, the score is 48, and they lost 6 wickets. Now Latif. Now the new bowler is Imran. Imran on his bowling mark to the batsman Sikandar. Sikandar is the new batsman. He is on strike. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatulba ground. Today's 2 teams are Heat Juniors versus CSK Palhalan. CSK Palhalan win the toss. They decided to field first. Very good decision taken by the captain of CSK Palhalan, because they take their early 6 wickets. Heat Juniors, they have only 48 runs on board after 10 hours. The current rate is 4.80. Imran to the new batsman Sikandar. Very well delivery by Imran. This is another dot delivery. No run. The score remains on 48 run, and they lost their early 6 wickets after 10.1 hours. Here Juniors, they need one good partnership here. They need Imran to Sikandar. This is another good delivery, and this is dot delivery. No run. The score remains on 48 for the loss of 6 wickets. Sikandar is the new batsman, and Khurshid he's on strike. Imran he takes already 3 wickets. He gave only 11 runs in 2.2 overs. Imran to the new batsman Sikandar. Oh, Sikandar plays a good shot here, but this is 4 for Sikandar, 4 for here juniors. They have 52 on board now, and they lost 6 wickets after 10.3 hours. The current run rate is 4.95. Projected score will be 89. Thank you for watching this live stream. Thank you for watching this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and put positive comments in comment section. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul Park ground. The two teams are here juniors versus CSK 11 Palhalan. First CSK Palhalan win the toss and they out to field. This is Imran to the batsman Sikandar. Sikandar he's on 4. And this is another good delivery at the end, very good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 53 runs. After 10.4 hours, they lost 6 wickets. Now Khurshid is on strike. Imran to Khurshid. Oh, this is another good delivery. This is dot delivery. Imran to the batsman Khurshid. Batsman played a good shot here. Missed by wicketkeeper, missed by third. And this is 4 for Khurshid, 4 for here juniors. With this 4, the score goes on 57, and they lost 6 wickets. This is CSK 11 Palhalan versus here juniors. कमेंट सेक्शन में आप ज़रूर बोलिए आपको क्वालिटी कैसी आ रही है और आवाज़ कैसी आ रही है. प्लीज़ पुट योर पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स इन कमेंट सेक्शन. आप ज़रूर अपना जो सपोर्ट है वो करें, सपोर्ट दे. इस चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और फॉलो करें. आप यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, वहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को. इस वक्त जो मैच चल रहा है हीर जूनियर्स वर्सेस CSK पलहालन. पहले CSK पलहालन उसने टॉस जीत कर पहले फील्डिंग करने का निर्णय लिया और बहुत ही अच्छा निर्णय था कैंपेन के दौरान. 11 राउंड के बाद 57 रन और 6 विकेटों के लिए पलहालन ने ये जूनियर्स दे लास्ट देयर 6 विकेट्स. दिस इज गुड शॉट प्लेड बाय द प्लेयर सिकंदर फॉर another 4. With this 4, the score goes on 61 run and they lost 6 wickets. Sam Muzammil match किसको है? Thank you Sam Muzammil. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sam Muzammil for watching this. Thank you for watching this live. This is another good delivery, dot delivery, good delivery by Abrar Maglu. The score remains on 61 and they lost 6 wickets. Thank you Sam Muzammil for watching this. This is match between here juniors versus CSK Palhalan. This is under 19 T20 Super Cup played at Chukatul Park ground. The score after 11.2 overs is 61 and they lost 6 wickets. Abrar Maglu to the batsman Sikandar. Voice और quality अच्छी आ रही है. Thank you Zian for watching this. Thank you for your support. This is another good delivery and this is dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 61 for the loss of 6 wickets. This is Abrar Maglu. This is Sikandar plays another good shot for another 4. With this 4, the score goes on 65 and they lost 6 wickets after 11.5 hours. Sikandar, he is on strike. He is on 13 runs with the help of 3 fours. The strike rate for Sikandar is 144. Abrar Maglu is on his bowling mark to Sikandar. Another good shot played by Sikandar, but they take only a single. With this single, the score is 66 after 12 hours. They lost their 6 wickets. Abrar Maglu, he completes his second over. He gives only 10 runs. Very good bowling by Abrar Maglu. Imran is also the bowler who he gave 20 runs only in 3 hours and take 3 crucial wickets for CSK 11 Palhalan. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulbag ground. The score for here juniors is 66 and they lost 6 wickets after 12 hours. Sikandar, he is on non-strike now. He is on 14 runs. The new bowler for CSK Palhalan is Zubair 03. He is the new bowler. Khurshid is on strike. Sam Muzammil Lala kahan hai? Thank you Sam Muzammil Lala is not here at present. He is at his home right now. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulbag ground. The two teams are here juniors versus CSK 11 Palhalan. First CSK Palhalan win the toss and they put it to field. This is Zubair to the batsman Khurshid. This is a dot delivery, no run. The score remains on 66 for the loss of 6 runs, 6 wickets. The current run rate is only 5.42, not good current run rate. Here juniors lost their early 6 wickets. They have only 66 on board. This is Zubair to the batsman Sikandar. The two batsmen take 1 run here. With this one, the score goes on 68 run after 12.1 hour. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukartulbag ground. Sam Muzammil, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends. This is Zubair to the batsman Khurshid. Khurshid, he is on 5 runs. Oh, this is a wide delivery. And here is another 1 run taken by the two batsmen. With these 2 runs, the score goes on 70 after 12.2 hours. Zubair to the batsman Sikandar. Sikandar, he is on 14. Oh, very good shot played by the Sikandar for huge 6. This is first 6 for Sikandar. With the 6, the score goes on 76 and they lost 6 wickets. Good shot played by Sikandar. He is on 20 run with the help of 3 fours, 1 huge 6. Zubair to the batsman Sikandar. And this is good delivery, but cannot the two back here. Oh, only 1 run taken by the two batsmen. With this one, the score goes on 77 runs and they lost 6 wickets after 12.3 hours. The partnership is on 30 runs and they face just 21 deliveries. लाइव स्ट्रीम को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए और आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल वहाँ पे भी आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख सकते हैं. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करिए इस चैनल को. दिस इज Zubair to the batsman Khurshid. Khurshid plays another good shot, but at the end very good catch taken by the fielder. This is another wicket for his juniors. This is the 7th wicket in the shape of Khurshid. Khurshid lost his wicket on 5 runs only. Not good cricket played today by his juniors. They lost their early 7 wickets and they have only 77 runs on board. Very good cricket today. बहुत ही अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली आज CSK 11 Palhalan. सबसे पहले उन्होंने टॉस जीतकर पहले फील्डिंग का निर्णय लिया. बहुत ही अच्छी डिसीजन लिया उनके कप्तानों ने, CSK Palhalan के कप्तान ने, और ही जूनियर्स को घुटने टेकने पर मजबूर कर दिया. They have only 77 runs on board and they lost 7 wickets after 12.4 hours. Sikandar, he is on 21 run on non-strike and only 77 runs on board and they lost 7 early wickets after 12.4 hours. The current run rate is 6.8 only. Projected score will be 109. Now the new batsman, he is on strike. The new batsman is Feroz. Feroz is the new batsman for his juniors. His juniors need one big partnership here. They need one good partnership here if they want to give the target of 140, 130 to CSK 11 Palhalan. This is Zubair. Zubair to the batsman, new batsman Firoz. Oh, this is good shot, but at the end a very good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 78, and they lost their early 7 wickets. Today, CSK 11 Palhalan playing very good cricket at Chukkar Tulbagh ground. They have decent bowling, they have good fielders, they give very impressive cricket today. Zubair to their batsman Sikandar. Sikandar, he is on 21 runs, and this is another good delivery. After 13 hours, the score is 78 runs, and they lost 7 wickets. भाई हिंदी कमेंट्री भी अच्छी कर रहे हो. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस. थैंक यू फॉर योर सपोर्ट भाई, एंड यू ऑलवेज सपोर्ट मी. टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश, टूटी फूटी हिंदी करना पड़ता है, क्या करेंगे. राइट नाउ दिस इज द न्यू बॉलर Zubair to the batsman Firoz. The current run rate is only 6 on board to Heath Juniors. If they want to give good target to CSK Palhalan like 130, 140, they need a good partnership here. Zubair to the batsman Sikandar. Zubair on his bowling mark. Batsman Sikandar, he is on strike, plays another good shot, but at the end very good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 79 runs, and they lost 7 wickets. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal in English. To Bhabar Azam Korea. Thank you, Ryan. Oh, thank you for watching this. Thank you for your support. Thank you. This is Zubair right now to the batsman Sikandar, and another good delivery by the bowler Zubair. Zubair is the bowler. He take only 2 wickets, and he give watch it. Can you Zubair? Thank you for watching this live stream. Sikandar, he is on strike. Plays another good shot at the end. Very good fielding, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 80 runs. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Sikandar for another 4. Firoz. And this is totally
تمسك يلا جيزة أنا تيجي يشنف زتين ما تبغى بيني فان تيجي مش جالس تيجي من بعدين تيجي تشيت مش جيزة دايما
This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukkar Tulbagh ground. After 14 hours, the score is 85, and they lost their early 7 wickets. Sikandar, he is on 21 runs. Firoz, he is on 7 runs. He faces 5 deliveries. Thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Zubair, Zubair?
No, Ashik.
This is the new bowler Ashik on his bowling mark to the batsman Sikandar. Firoz, he is on 7 runs. and he'll face 5 deliveries. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Firoz for 6. Very good shot played by Firoz. This is 6 for guys. This is 6 for Heer Juniors. Another good shot, another 6 for Firoz.
तो siapa itu kus tayang?
This is Heer Juniors versus CSK 11 Palhalan. 97 runs on board and they lost 7 wickets. Now they need this partnership here. Firoz, he is on 19 runs, 2 sixes on 2 balls. He faced just 7 deliveries. Firoz, he's on strike. He's on 19 runs. And this is a good delivery, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 19-8, and they lost 7 wickets. Now Sikandar, he is on strike now. He is on 22 run. Oh, this is good bowling by the bowler. This is clean bowled. This is 9th wicket for in the shape of Sikandar. Sikandar lost his wicket. Clean bowled by the bowler. Very good cricket today play by CSK Palhalan. They won the toss and they decide to field first. Very good decision by the captain of CSK 11 Palhalan. After 14.4 hours, the score on board is only 98 runs and they lost 8 wickets. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin. Now it is Muzammil. Samir.
الفون بيقول فون اخر ناس
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। मेरा नाम ज़िदी समीर और मैं आपके साथ जुड़ चुका हूँ चुकर तलबा के इस खूबसूरत मैदान में। और आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। सैम मुजम्मिल, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमें प्यार देने के लिए। इस पेज को फॉलो करना ना भूलिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें और कमेंट में बताएं कि लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग कैसी चल रही है। और फिलहाल इस समय में फिरोज़ अपनी बॉलिंग मौक पर तैयार हो रहे हैं और लंबे रन के साथ रोड एंड की तरफ से चले। अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, इस बीच अच्छी गेंद चकमा देती हुई बल्लेबाज को और सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में चली गई। किसी रन का इजाफा नहीं। फैज़ान परे जो कि नया ही बल्लेबाज क्रीज के अंदर मौजूद इस टाइम पे, और फिरोज़ जिसने 8 गेंदों में 20 रन बनाया, अच्छी बल्लेबाजी की, 2 ताबड़तोड़ छक्के मारे फिरोज़ ने फिर से एक बार। गेंदबाज तैयार हो रही है अपनी बॉलिंग बाउंड पर। अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, इस बीच स्लोवर गेंद उसको दे मारा, वहां पर फील्डर मौजूद और उससे थोड़ी चूक हुई और गेंद चली गई सीमारी के पार 4 रन के लिए। एक दंदनाता स्ट्रोक लिया लेग साइड की जानिब और गेंद को बेचा सीमारी के पार 4 रन के लिए। थोड़ी सी कंडीशन उसको बरकरार रखा है यहाँ पे हीर ने और थोड़ी सी पार्टनरशिप की। इसी के साथ ओवर की समाप्ति। पहले जो झटके लगे लगातार हीर को, आशिक पांड्या ने अपने 3 ओवर किए और 20 रन देकर 2 महत्वपूर्ण विकेट चटकाई अपनी टीम के लिए। कमाल की गेंदबाजी की आशिक पांड्या ने। फैजान परे 2 गेंदों से 4 रन बनाने में अभी तक क्रीज पर नाबाद। जाहिद आंगर आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वालेकुम सलाम जाहिद भाई। सैम मुजम्मिल लाला का है, लाला का कुछ पता नहीं है। और हीर का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 102 पर 8 विकेट के नुकसान पे। जुबैर फिर से एक बार अपनी गेंदबाजी के मोर्चे पे तैयार हो रहे हैं। एक लंबे रनअप के साथ रोड एंड की तरफ से गेंदबाजी करने के लिए तैयार। चले जुबैर अपनी बॉलिंग मार्क पर अंपायर को क्रॉस किया। शॉट गेंद और गेंद को मारा लेग साइड की जानिब और 6 रन के लिए अंपायर का इशारा। 6 रन। कमाल की गेंदबाजी हो रही है, बल्लेबाजी हो रही है यहाँ पर फेरोज द्वारा। 9 गेंदों में 26 रन बनाए फेरोज ने। जैन भाई आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। जैन भाई लिख रही है कि इतनी इंग्लिश तो बाबर आजम को भी नहीं आती है। और इसी बीच गेंद को फिर से एक बार दर्शक दीर्घा में पहुंचाने की कोशिश की और कामयाब हुए उसमें। फेरोज एक कमाल का बल्लेबाज, जबरदस्त बल्लेबाज फेरोज। गहराई है अभी बल्लेबाजी में हीर के पास। ये फिनिशर जो पीछे रखे थे इन्होंने अच्छा रोल दिखाया, फेरोज ने अच्छा रोल दिखाया अपनी टीम के लिए। 10 गेंदों में 32 रन बनाने में कामयाब रहे अभी तक। फिर से एक बार जुबैर तैयार हो रहे अपनी बॉलिंग मार्क पर। चले जुबैर रोड एंड की तरफ से अंपायर को क्रॉस किया। इस बीच अच्छी गेंद, अंपायर का इशारा नो बॉल। एक मुफ्त की गेंद मिलेगी अब फेरोज को। आज के जो हमारे अंपायर अब्दुल हमीद और उसके साथ साथ लेग अंपायर उबैद अहमद, ये लास्ट पे जो यहाँ पर तलहल ने अच्छी गेंदबाजी नहीं की, पहले रोक के रखा था उन्होंने। इस बीच कैच लेना था मगर ले नहीं पाए विकेट कीपर से चूक हुई और गेंद चली गई। एक रन लेने में दोनों बल्लेबाज कामयाब हुए। मौका मिला था, जुबैर ने दिलाई थी सफलता अपनी टीम को मगर विकेट कीपर ने गलती कर दी और गेंद चली गई स्लिप कॉर्ड में। तब तक दोनों बल्लेबाज 1 रन लेने में कामयाब हुए। अब जो बल्लेबाज फैजान परे लेफ्ट हैंडेड बैट्समैन तैयार हो रहे हैं और बल्ले गेंदबाज चले। इस बीच अंपायर को क्रॉस किया। इस बीच अच्छा स्ट्रोक लेना चाहते थे मगर बल्ले से गेंद टकराई। बल्ले के अंदरूनी किनारे पे लगी गेंद और किसी रन का इजाफा नहीं। फील्डर मौजूद थे वहां पे। जुबैर तैयार हो रहे हैं अपनी बॉलिंग मार्क पर और सामना करेगा फैजान परे। जुबैर चले, फैजान के लिए अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया और गेंद को भेजा दर्शक दीर्घा में 6 रन के लिए। आधा दर्जन रन फिर से एक बार अंपायर का इशारा नो बॉल। एक मुफ्त की गेंद, इस गेंद को लाभ उठाना पड़ेगा। फिर से एक बार दर्शक दीर्घा में भेजना पड़ेगा इस गेंद को। कमाल की बल्लेबाजी, जितनी तारीफ करेंगे इन दोनों बल्लेबाजों की उतनी कम है। फैजान परे और फेरोज ने कमाल की बल्लेबाजी की। फैजान परे 4 गेंदों से 10 रन अभी क्रीज पर नाबाद और फेरोज 12 गेंदों से 33 रन अभी भी नाबाद क्रीज पर। फिर से एक बार चले जुबैर फैजान के लिए और 1 रन चुनाने में कामयाब हुए दोनों बल्लेबाज। लेग बाय के रूप में मिली है रन। जैन भाई लिख रहे हैं कमेंट्री ऑन टॉप। थैंक यू ब्रदर, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमें प्यार देने के लिए। इस पेज को फॉलो करने ना भूलिएगा और कमेंट में बताइए क्या ये जो लाइव नशर हम आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं। बताइए कैसी लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग चल रही है। और इस बार डायरेक्ट हिट अगर होती तो फेरोज का काम तमाम। ये जो सेट बल्लेबाज अभी क्रीज पर मौजूद है फेरोज, उसका जो काम तमाम हुआ था। और इसी के साथ ओवर की समाप्ति। इसी के साथ हीर का स्कोर बढ़ता हो 125 विद द लॉस ऑफ 8 विकेट्स। Sixteen overs gone। फेरोज ने स्ट्राइक जो है अपने पास रखी। 13 गेंदों से 34 रन बनाने में कामयाब रहे अभी तक फेरोज। एक धुआंधार पारी, यादगार पारी, ये सालों तक याद रखी जाएगी। फेरोज को याद रहेगी ये धुआंधार पारी। एक अच्छा फिनिशर है फेरोज। फिर से एक बार इमरान चले फेरोज के लिए ओ कमाल की गेंदबाजी और कीपर से गेंद नहीं रुकी और गेंद सीमारे के पार चल गई 4 रन के लिए। 5 रन आए इस गेंद से। अंपायर का इशारा वाइड भी। खराब गेंदबाजी, पहले रोक के रखा था। वाइड शायद 5 है इसमें। सॉरी ये वाइड नहीं है, डॉट गेंद, मगर कीपर से गेंद नहीं रुकी और लेग बाय के रूप में गेंद चली गई सीमारे के पार। फिर से एक बार इस ओवर की दूसरी गेंद करने के लिए तैयार इमरान हो रहे हैं। फिर उसके लिए इस बीच खराब फुल डिलीवरी और सही नतीजा, गेंद दर्शक दीर्घा में 6 रन के लिए। आधा दर्जन रन इस गेंद से भी। एक कमाल की गेंदबाज बल्लेबाजी हो रही है फिरोज द्वारा। 15 गेंदों में 40 रन। ये एक अच्छा फिनिशर है, कमाल का फिनिशर है। एक पावरफुल बल्लेबाज की यही खासियत होती है, एक फिनिशर की यही खासियत होती है। जबरदस्त बल्लेबाजी यहाँ पर फिरोज द्वारा। फिर से एक बार इमरान चले और एक छक्का लगाने में कामयाब हुए फिरोज। फिरोज ने कमाल की बल्लेबाजी की, जबरदस्त गेंदबाजी के साथ खिलवाड़ करते हुए इस टाइम पे फिरोज 4 रन दूर अपने अर्धशतक से। फिरोज बस 4 रन दूर फिरोज। 4 रन चाहिए अपने अर्धशतक से फिरोज को। एक कमाल की बल्लेबाजी की फिरोज ने। और फिर से एक बार इमरान तैयार हो रहे हैं अपनी गेंदबाजी करने के लिए। अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, सामना करेगा फिरोज, इस बीच बोल्ड कर दिया। आखिर पे मिली वो सफलता जिस सफलता का इंतजार था। कमाल की बल्लेबाजी की, डगआउट में तालियों से गूंज उठी और फिरोज की सफलता मिली इमरान को। आखिरी बल्लेबाज बीच मैदान में आ रहे हैं। कप्तान की एंट्री बीच मैदान में। और इसी के साथ हीर का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 147 विद द लॉस ऑफ 9 विकेट्स, 16.5 ओवर्स गॉन। हीर की जो डूबी हुई कश्ती थी उसको नाव लगाने में कामयाब रहे फिरोज। डूबी हुई कश्ती को पार लगाया फिरोज ने। और इसी के साथ हीर का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 147 विद द लॉस ऑफ 9 विकेट, 16.4 ओवर्स गॉन। अगर हम बात करेंगे पलहालन की टीम का तो उन्होंने पहले रोक के रखा था हीर को, झटके पे झटका लगता था। और इमरान की अगर बात करेंगे हम तो उसने शायद मेरे ख्याल से अपने एक ओवर में 3 विकेटें चटकाई थी। और फिर जब फिरोज की एंट्री बीच मैदान में हुई तो उसने अलग ही तेवर दिखाया बल्ले से। उसका बल्ला जो था आज आग उगल रहा था यहाँ पर चुकर तुलबा के इस मैदान में। ये मुकाबला चुकर तुलबा के इस खूबसूरत मैदान में खेला जा रहा है इस टाइम, पलहालन वर्सेस हीर। और इमरान की इस ओवर की आखिरी गेंद, शायद सॉरी 2 to go। कप्तान बीच मैदान पर, कप्तान नदीम सामना करेगा और इमरान चले अपनी गेंदबाजी करने के लिए। अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, फुल गेंद, जोरदार अपील, मगर वहां पर अंपायर पे कोई असर नहीं, शायद बल्ले पे गेंद टकराई। नदीम कप्तान नदीम आखिर में बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए आए कप्तान नदीम। और इमरान ने अच्छी गेंदबाजी की, 32 रन देकर 4 महत्वपूर्ण विकेट चटकाई अपनी टीम के लिए। इस बार चले इस ओवर की आखिरी गेंद करने के लिए। अंपायर को क्रॉस किया, अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया और टॉप एज लगी, फील्डर मौजूद वहां पर, फील्डर से गेंद नहीं रुकी और गेंद दंडराती हुई सीमारे के पार 4 रन के लिए। कमाल की बल्लेबाजी यहाँ पर कप्तान ने भी अपनी तेवर दिखाई और गेंद को भेजा सीमारे के पार 4 रन के लिए। इसके साथ ओवर की समाप्ति और हीर जूनियर्स का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 145 विद लॉस ऑफ 9 विकेट्स, 17 ओवर्स गॉन। बस ये आखिरी ओवर बचा है इस इनिंग का, आखिरी विकेट भी बची है और आखिरी ओवर भी बचा है। इमरान ने अपनी स्पेल में 4 विकेट चटकाई और 36 रन दिए, बस सिर्फ 36 रन दिए। अच्छी गेंदबाजी रही इमरान से। 145 कमाल की बल्लेबाजी रही। फिरोज ने जो अलग ही तेवर दिखाए। आज के जो हमारे अंपायर अब्दुल हमीद और उसके साथ साथ उबैद अहमद, जिन्होंने अच्छे डिसीजंस दिए। फिलहाल गेंदबाज चले और ये लंबा चौड़ा सिक्सर मारा, गेंद को भेजा है दूर, दर्शिता फेंस विदा। ये आखिर में हुआ क्या? आखिर में वही हुआ जो होना था, जो कि आजकल आईपीएल में आप देखते होंगे। आरसीबी क्या कर रही है, आखिर में रोमारियो शेफर्ड आता है तो वो बल्ले से आगे करता है। ऐसा ही फिरोज ने करके दिखाया और अंत में जो बल्लेबाज आए फैजान परे, ये भी कुछ ऐसे ही अलग ही तेवर दिखा रहे हैं इस टाइम पे। फैजान परे ने 6 गेंदों से 17 रन किए। फिर से एक बार वाजिद चले फैजान के लिए, इस बीच भी वही गेंद और सेम नतीजा, गेंद को भेजा है दर्शक दीर्घा में। देखिए क्या बल्लेबाजी हो रही है, क्या रफ्तार है, माशाल्लाह। तारीफ करनी पड़ेगी इन बल्लेबाजों की। फिरोज और फैजान परी ने कमाल किया अपनी टीम के लिए, फैजान ने और फिरोज ने, जो आखिर में दिखा दिया। अगर पहले दिखा देते तो शायद मेरे हिसाब से 250 हो जाते आज। फिलहाल चले फिर से एक बार वाजिद, ओ फील्डर नीचे, गेंद आसमान में और क्या छूटा वहां पे। 1 रन लेने में कामयाब दोनों बल्लेबाज। कमाल की बल्लेबाजी हो रही है बीच मैदान में, जबरदस्त बल्लेबाजी। जितनी तारीफ करेंगे हम इस बल्लेबाजी की उतनी कम है। फैजान परे ने 8 गेंदों का सामना किया और 24 रन बनाने में कामयाब रहे अभी तक फैजान परे। नदीम ने 2 गेंदों का सामना किया, 4 रन बनाने में कामयाब रहे अभी तक। कप्तान नदीम को चाहिए क्या इस स्कोर को थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ाए। अच्छा स्ट्रोक लिया नदीम ने और गेंद सीमारी के पार, वहां पे फील्डर ने अच्छी कोशिश की और 1 रन देने से नहीं रोके दोनों बल्लेबाजों को। कमाल की फील्डिंग वहां पर, फील्डर दौरा बहुत दूर सफर किया फील्डर ने वहां पे, मगर आखिरकार गेंद को रोकने में कामयाब हुए वाजिद, जो कि आज विकेटलेस साबित हुए। कोई झटका नहीं दिला पाए अपनी टीम के लिए। फैजान परे, जिसने 8 गेंदों में सिर्फ 8 गेंदों का सामना किया और 24 रन बनाने में कामयाब हुए। और हीर का स्कोर बढ़ता हुआ 159 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 9 विकेट, 17.4 ओवर्स गॉन। धुआंधार बल्लेबाजी की आज फैजान और फिरोज ने। फिलहाल फिर से एक बार चले वाजिद फैजान परे के लिए, अंदरूनी सिरा लगा और गेंद विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में चली गई। इसी के साथ हीर की पारी सिमटी और हीर का स्कोर जो हुआ 159 फॉर द ऑल आउट हुए 159 पर। और फिलहाल उनको 160 रन जीतने के लिए ये जो टारगेट सेट हुआ है यहाँ पर मैदान में, हीर ने किया 159 और 160 जीतने के लिए चाहिए फिलहाल 11 को।
थोड़ी ब्रेक के लिए आप
थोड़ी सी ब्रेक के लिए फिर से हम आपके साथ जुड़ जाएंगे।